The materials we used were toilet paper rolls because it was cylindrical. We chose a sponge because spongy bone has the word sponge in it. We chose red pipe cleaners because blood vessels are red. We chose cotton balls because it can be made into a thin layer for compact bone. We chose yellow paper because the yellow bone marrow is yellow, and we chose coffee filter because it could be drawn. The epiphysis is located at the end of the bone, and it forms joints with other bones to give more motion. The compact bone is represented with the cotton balls, and it is located in the marrow space of bones, and its function is weight bearing, weight transfer, protection, and being a site for muscle attachment. The spongy bone is represented with the sponge and is located usually at the ends of long bones, and its function is to help the bone resist stress as much as possible. The yellow bone marrow is located in the medullary cavity, and its function is to hold fat. And osteons were represented by the coffee filter, and it is aligned parallel to the long axis of the bone, and its function is to be tiny weight-bearing pillars. The diaphysis is represented with brown paper, and it surrounds a central marrow cavity which contains red or yellow marrow, and its function is to form the
For the osteoblast and the osteoclast, we just labeled them right here. There wasn't much space near the osteon. So the osteoblast forms bones, and the osteoclast breaks bones. For the endostem, we chose to put it right next to the compact bone. The function is to cover the trabeculae of spongy bone and line the canal that passed through the compact bone. It is located within the bone. The perforating fibers are collagen fibers from tendons, ligaments, and the periosteum that attach them to the bone. The periosteum is located around the bone, and it serves as protection as well as a channel for the blood supply and nutrients for bone tissue. For the lancune, we put it right on top of the brown coffee filter, super close to the osteon. It is a small space cavity or depression. Its location is bone or cartilage, and the function is it contains osteocytes. The harvesting canal is located on the core of each osteon. Its function is to conduct vessels and nerves throughout the length of the osteon. You put it right here on top of the coffee filter. The lamellae is located on one side of the bone, and its function is the cementing layer between primary walls of adjacent cells. We put it right here, right next to the osteon, because we just didn't have any space to put it exactly on the osteon. The medullary cavity is involved in the formation of red blood cells and white blood cells. Caniculi connect the lacunae to each other and to the central canal.